Hello students. Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. I Professor Harsh Tripathi, Assistant Professor at Srimati MP Patel College of Commerce and Center for Professional Courses Kadi. In previous lecture, we already solved operating costing sum number 1, 2 and 3. So today's topic operating costing sum number 4. Let's solve operating costing sum number 4. Here the question of sum number 4. Hearst Transportation Company supplies the following information in respect of truck with 5-ton capacity. Cost of truck 5 lakh. Estimated work life of truck 10 years. Scrap value of truck 10%. Driver salary monthly 2500. Cleaner salary monthly 1500. Insurance yearly 6000. Road tax yearly 3000. Supervision expense yearly 4800. Diesel and oil expenses rupees 10 per liter and kilometer per liter of diesel 10 kilometer. It means vehicle run 10 kilometer per liter. It means the price of diesel for 10 kilometer running of vehicle is rupees 10. Repairs and expenses monthly 1100. The truck carries goods between two cities at distance of 50 kilometers and it make two round trip daily. It means total 4 trip. It get freights up to full capacity while outward journey and 60% capacity while return journey. Vehicle run 25 days in a month. Find out the cost per ton kilometer. It means for outward journey 100% full capacity means 100% freight is available and inward journey 60% freight is available. For the solving of this sum, first step is calculation of total kilometer and total ton kilometer. Always student remember that in sum diesel expenses or any lubricant oil expenses given in form of liter, so it must be calculation of total kilometer in any type of sum which diesel given in a liter form. Okay. Step number 1 total kilometer and total ton kilometer. Here 2 round trip means total 4 trip. Total 4 trip it means 2 outward trip and 2 inward trip. Okay. 2 round trip means 2 outward trip and 2 inward trip. Okay. Outward trip 100% capacity, inward trip 60% capacity. Let's first of all we calculate total kilometer. Total kilometer. The formula of total kilometer is distance into trip into days. Okay. So outward distance 50 kilometer, trip 2 and 25 days. It means 2500 and inward 50 kilometer into 2 into 25 it means 2500. Now the total kilometer both trip 5000 total kilometer and total ton kilometer distance into trip into days into ton into capacity. We separated one outward trip and another inward or return trip. For outward trip 50 kilometers into 2 into 25 days into 5 ton capacity, but for outward 100% capacity utilized. That's why 112,500 amount is arrived. And for inward or return 50 into 2 into 25 into 5 into 60%, so 7,500. So now total ton kilometer is equal to 12,500 plus 7,500. equal to 20,000 total ton kilometer arrives. Now, the step number 3 is the statement of operating cost. Particular here, the calculation of only one vehicle is given. That's why one monthly expenses and per kilometer expenses. Okay, monthly expenses. Here we count total ton kilometer 20,000 kilometer. Here just written down the 20,000 kilometer. These sum divided into two parts, fixed cost and variable cost. In fixed cost, scrap value, estimated life and cost of truck it is calculation for depreciation. Now, driver salary monthly 2,500. So we put this value driver salary monthly 2,500. Same cleaner salary 1,500, cleaner salary 1,500, insurance yearly 6,000. We can divide into monthly 6,000 divided by 12 is equal to 500. 6,000 divided by 12 is equal to 500. Then after road tax yearly 3,000. Same calculation 3,000 divided by 12 250. Then after next supervision expenses yearly same amount same calculation 4,800 divided by 12 it means 400. Okay, there is no any other fixed cost given in this sum. So let's total the fixed cost. 2,500 plus 1,500 plus 500 plus 250 plus 400 equal to 5,150. And per ton kilometer 5,150 divided by 20,000 equal to 0.26 per ton kilometer fixed cost. Per ton kilometer fixed cost. Now, variable cost. First, depreciation. Cost of truck also given, estimated life and scrap value. So let's working note for depreciation value. Depreciation is equal to cost minus scrap value divided by number of year or working life. So 5 lakh cost minus 10% scrap value divided by 10 and the value arise 45,000 yearly. We calculate by monthly to 45,000 divided by 12. So the amount is 3,750 monthly depreciation. Let's put this value in sum 3,750. Monthly expense of depreciation. For per ton kilometer expense 3,750 divided by 20,000 kilometer and the answer is 0.19. Now the diesel and oil expenses. For diesel and oil expenses it is also working note total 10 kilometer rate 10 rupees. So we find total kilometer. How much total kilometer? 5,000 total kilometer. So 5,000 how much? So 5,000 multiply with 10 divided by 10 equal to 5,000 rupees monthly diesel oil expense. So let's put this value in this sum. 5,000 divided by 20,000 kilometer equal to 0.25 per ton kilometer diesel expense. Then after repairs expense it is given in monthly form. So directly put 1,100 divided by 20,000 kilometer equal to 0.055. Now the total of variable cost 3,750 plus 5,000 plus 1,100 equal to 9,850. It is divided by 20,000 kilometer. So the answer is 0.49 per ton kilometer variable cost. Now the total operating cost or per ton kilometer cost equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. It means 5,150 plus 9,850, and the answer is 15,000 total rupees. And per ton kilometer 0.26 plus 0.49, and the answer is 0.75. Here the answer of this sum is 0.75 rupees per ton kilometer. So we just complete the sum number 4. Students, for next lecture we will discuss sum number 5 of operating costing. Keep practice, keep learning, keep motivate yourself. Thank you very much.